Ito na, nakikita na natin ang naging na lumalabas na yung ating mga linagay para sa healthcare sector ng para sa ating mga kababayan. At we have begun already to feel the effects of the appropriations that are coming out of the 2026 GAA. Kaya it's a very happy day because we ground broke for the all of the sciences that are necessary for the healthcare sector. At dadami ang mga estudyante. Alam naman natin na ang Pilipinas kulang ang ating mga doktor, ating mga nurse, ating mga medtech, lahat ng mga healthcare workers at madadagdagan sila at para magiging mas maganda ang ating pagbigay ng serbisyo sa kalusugan para sa ating mga mamamayan. So I'm very happy that we are starting to feel the effects of the budget that we work very hard on, and when we put healthcare as one of the priority appropriations na ginawa natin. So yeah, that's the Thank you.
Mr.
Thank you.
President, would you
Yeah.
like to comment on the drunking of impeachment complaints against you and the House Justice Panel?
Not really. I mean, the House is doing their job. I'm glad that, of course, I'm glad that now the impeachment complaints against me have been are finished, and as the statement that we made earlier, I'm happy it's done, and you can get on with our work. Because these things are distractions from the things that we were doing. Although I wasn't very worried because I saw the impeachment complaint and I knew that I would be all right in terms of the impeachment, because wala naman, there were no real grounds for the impeachment. It was a political move,
Mr. President,
as usual.
Kanina po na-transmit na ng House Secretary General ang dalawang impeachment complaint laban kay VP
Yes,
Sara.
yes.
Ano po yung reaction niyo po dito?
No, I have no reaction. Hindi ko trabaho yan. Trabaho ng House. Pabayaan mo sila magtrabaho. I'm sure they will handle it properly. So let's let them do their jobs.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.